Well, the work continues on the USA 250 spoon, and we're using old coffee grounds here to give the some of the stars that we carved into the wood a little color and stuff. And so we'll take that out real quick, and you see the coffee grounds are up in there, and it's just going to keep on giving it color and everything else. And then here in a little while, when it totally dries, we'll take it out, and we'll do the same thing for here and here and here. And this is what'll be the spoon end right up in here, and we'll start taking care of that here very shortly. But that's what we're up to. So I'll bring you back as the work progresses. Working on the USA 250 spoon. Yeah, I hear you, Bertie. And we had one little bad spot in here that we had to do some special carving, and had to insert a little plug here with a star, and we got a star at the end here. We had a crack develop, so we're still doing a little bit of work right in there. There's the 250, the stars, the USA, and I'm thinking about maybe putting like 1776 or something. And I was going to probably put 2026 here, but if this spot was bad right there, I don't know, we'll see. But you can see the outline of the bowl. There's the throat, and the bowl will come up like this, and we got a lot of sanding to do. So. I hear you, bird. Okay, well, decided we're going to carve some dates in here. 1776 and 2026. Then out here, they'll begin to throw to the bowl, or spoon, I should say. Then the spoon's bowl will be out here. But we need to get our carving tools sets and get these dates put in, and hopefully this little spot right up in here that we had some of these issues with will hold together, and I think it will. And as a matter of fact, I think that once we get these dates in here, we can buff this down even further. This bad spot will just completely disappear. Got the dates carved in the USA 250 spoon here, and we're using an old style chisel to hollow out the furrows, the little channels around the numbers and stuff. This is 2026, the other side is 1776, and we're trying to be gentle with it. But if you do this, be careful. These things are sharp. They may not look it, but they are sharp. Alright, let's take a look at it real quick, that we can get a feel for it. Let's see if we get the light. 2026 and 1776. Here are stars. USA, got 250. There's your star on the rear. We're almost at that point. We're going to start doing a lot of sanding, and the bowl of the spoon will be up about right here. We're still debating whether I want to, like your typical, like an oval or more of a square. Either way, I think it's going to come out pretty good. Still working on the USA 250 spoon, and we've completed this side here, and we're kind of sealing the little grooves up and removing all the little burrs and stuff, and we'll let this dry up. And there's the 250, and there's the 1776 with some stars, and this is that bad spot that we worked around, and I think this is going to form up right nice. And there's the USA, and star at the end, and right beyond this two here will be the throat of the spoon, and the bowl will widen out like this and come back. So we need to finish the other side and the other sides, and then do some sanding and get that bowl done and seal and stain and all this kind of stuff. This will be the bowl section here, and we'll start hollowing this out. Either do it the old-fashioned way or use a Dremel 4300 with a burr on it, but that's what the size of it is going to be like and stuff, so we shall see. Okay, started doing a lot of coloring of the numbers and the stars and everything like that, and started forming the front of the bowl here. And this is says 2026. This is year 250. That's the primary year, the beginning year, 1776. The stars, and USA, and that's the back side of the bowl. And we'll taper it off and keep on digging the bowl out. And we're gonna carve a little small USA flag right here and probably continue it on either side. So we shall see. It's quite hot today. It's gonna be like 87 Fahrenheit, so I'm kind of taking it easy and not pushing it too hard and stuff, and I'm not quite acclimated to this yet. It just changed up all of a sudden. Well, good morning from the workshop. I've been working on our USA 250 spoon, and been getting the letters and the stars and everything all configured right, and using some stain on them and stuff, and sealing it up, and working on the bowl. But I think we're going to end this video right here, because if not, it's going to become so long that it'll be you'll have to sit there and watch for hours and stuff. And 1776 and everything. We'll get this all cleaned up and stuff. Alright, so if you're watching this video, there will be a part 3, and that'll probably finish it.